Hi guys, welcome to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to fix the Instagram black screen. So what this problem is, so if you head up to the Instagram app and then it will go to a black screen when you open it up instead of actually giving you posts. So one way you can fix this is by going to settings, scrolling down, clicking iPhone storage. From here you want to find Instagram. So you have to wait for it to load. And once it is done loading, you can either scroll down and find it or click the search bar in the top right. So you can search Instagram, go and select it. You then want to offload the app. This will free up some storage used by the app, but it'll keep its documents and data safe so you don't got to worry about any of your data on Instagram disappearing. It's just kind of trying to refresh the app. So just click offload app and then reinstall it once that's done. From there, you just want to clear out Instagram and then open it back up and see if it's working or not. Another thing it could be is if you go to the App Store, you can check out Instagram and see if there's an update or not. Sometimes there might be an update. As you can see, there's not an update right now. It would show a little icon saying it would need an update. But these are just a couple of things that could be reasons why your Instagram keeps going to a black screen. So I hope this video does help you. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year, and I cannot do it without your help. So I want to say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.